the safety of passengers and escape no offense. In the event of sudden loss of cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop in the compartment above. Pull the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap overhead and tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. Your oxygen supply is not regulated and it's normal that the oxygen bag may not fully inflate. If you are traveling with a child, set yourself first, then to the child. Please note there are 8 emergency exits in this aircraft. The exits are 2 doors at the front, at the rear, and to each side of the forward windows. During evacuations, do not carry hand luggage with you. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the floor lessons as indicated by a light. The safety information card in your seat pockets contain additional information on the safety features of this aircraft. Please read it carefully before takeoff. Please do not remove the safety card from the aircraft. The use of portable electronic devices and transporting devices such as mobile phones are strictly prohibited during takeoff and landing. This is a non-smoking flight. It is not meant to smoke in the aircraft, and smoke in the toilet may set off the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention and have a pleasant flight.